Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to unbox and test the Parkside Performance PWSAP 20 LIF6. It's a 20 volt cordless angle grinder and it's been delivered without a battery and without a charger. It has a brushless motor and it's compatible with cutting discs with a diameter of 125 millimeters. It has an M14 spindle lock disc holder and it's compatible with all X20 volt team batteries. It's ready to connect. That means you can connect it through Bluetooth with the Bluetooth battery. And we're going to take a look in the box now and then we're going to test the machine. Of course, it comes with this multiple language manual. There will be a language there that you will understand. Taking a quick look at the machine. Rubber hand grip here and here. This lock button for the disc to change the disc. Oh, that works very fine. This is the spindle lock M14. You hold the button and turn the disc to remove it. You also have this tool that fits in these holes. Very nice that you can store it here. Now you can change this one in 3 positions: left, right, or on the top side. And I'm going to show you the working of the display in a minute. Having a 4 amp hour Bluetooth compatible battery here. So you can use the ready to connect via the application. You can change the position of the protection cap here by pulling this trigger. You can put it in every position you like. And this works very simple. The unlock button. And you push 2 times. Now it's on setting 1. And if you touch it again, it's off. So the older models, if you unlocked it and you hold this button, it would run. And when you release it, it would stop. But this one only works with pressing it 2 times. And when you're tipping the on and off button or the lock button, it switches off. Very easy. I'm going to change this. No, I'm not going to change this because I'm going to use it like that. I'm going to change this one in this direction because I like to work in this position. Well, I take some metal and we're going to put it to the test. So this is a piece of steel and we're just going to make some cuts. And that works very nice. I'm gonna try another piece, square piece. Try it on setting 1. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now they have all kinds of discs. They have these grinding discs, cutting discs from the Performance series, and what I just bought, these are the grinding discs, by the way, and these are the cutting discs. And the offers this week, only for about €3, flat disc for wood, metal, stainless steel, 4 pieces. Thought it was only €3, €3.99. And they have this cleaning disc. You can clean metal or paint. I will show this. And it's also on my other machine. It's called a fiber disc. Now, if you want to use it on fiberglass, you need this one. This removes everything. It's a P24, very aggressive, and it removes everything. And what I also bought, I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but it's this rasping disc. And it was pretty nice to see that they have this. They were all in an offer, about $3.99 or something. So this is the cleaning disc. Putting on my goggles again. I'm gonna remove this rusty piece here. Try it on setting 1. A little bit faster. 3. That works very nice. And even if you have these cut-offs, you can use it for that also. All gone. Oh no, here's still a little piece. And what I want to know is, can I remove this coating from my boat with it? That would be very nice. That works perfect. Nice. I'm gonna order some more because I have to work on the boat. Well, no difference with the older model. Works fine. I really like these discs. Let me show you the specifications on the side again. I really like this tool. I'm going to use it on my boat a lot. That's why I bought an extra one, so I don't have to change discs. I have 3 machines now with 3 types of discs on it, so I don't have to change the discs at any time. I just can take the machine and work. Saves a lot of time. But of course, it's your opinion what you think about it. I always like these tools from Parkside. I just wanted to show you the working of it and if it's proper. And always think about safety, wearing goggles, a good pair of pants. Because of the sparkles, you don't want to get it in your eyes, or you don't want your pants to catch fire or something. For now, it's your decision what you think about it. I hope you like it. I hope you like my video and give it a like. Please leave me a comment with your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel for future videos so you get a notification. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.